Hey everyone, this is Travis from DDL to Data. I just wanted to walk through a couple of demos that are on the front page of our site that you can check out right now. The first demo has three SQL schemas. There's one parent and two children. As you can see, the companies is the parent, and then there is the employees and projects children. The employees table references the company ID, and then the project table references the employee ID. And when you generate that data, you'll see that it only takes milliseconds. This one took, let me rerun that. Okay, 300 milliseconds. And if you check the referential integrity, you can see that the companies actually references the employees. And then if you check the employee ID, it should reference the projects table. Let's see down here. There. So the lead employee is connected to the project. Um, and this is generated on the fly. There's no AI involved with this. That's why it's really fast. And there's also an API that you can use to grab this data, and you can check it out on the user guide. Then there is the second demonstration that I wanted to show you. This one is AI generated. We had a lot of questions around can we, you know, construct the data that we want? Can we tell it a story, and can it mold it for us, that data for us? And yes, we can do that. We now have it hooked up with AI. So you can tell it a story. For this example, it's using the users table. So you could put anything in here. You could remove it and then add whatever you want, and then you could click generate. And this is just a demo. It's for the users table. You could create any table you want when you have the other version. And it does take a little longer, and this is because we're actually going and grabbing it from an AI model. And once it's finished, it should return. And you could see that these names and information is much more thorough than the quicker version. You can create distributions like that, and then the contextual values. If you give it really good column names, it can really go off of that. So I'll just keep that in mind as well. Um, yep, and this is it. You can try it for free. Appreciate you taking a look at it. Thank you guys.